Hi, my name is Andy Sokol and I'm the Director of recordSHRED. One of the most frequently asked questions I get asked is, do you destroy the old 5.5-inch floppy disks? The answer is yes. In fact, these are old floppy disks for computers back in probably the 80s, but they're still around and we still destroy them on a regular basis because there's still data on here. So once they're destroyed in our secure and confidential facility, there's no way that any of this data can ever be retrieved. So, let me show you how it's done.